Exedi Chen gang. I hope you all are good. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and watch the video till the end. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you. Okay, today I'm vlogging. I don't know. Yeah, I'm vlogging. Whatever happens today, just know that I'm recording. Drip check. I'm just casual, man. I'm just casual. Casual with my sneakers. Yeah, man, I'm just casual drip check. Yeah, man. Touchdown what?
Sorry. Who knows? Might go back with the private jet.
You might do what?
Might go back with the private jet.
Yo,
Private jet.
it's too much.
It's too much.
Yes.
What are we?
How are you? You have enough in your pockets. Huh?
I have enough. Look.
Let me show it. How are you? We just arrived. We just what?
Yeah.
We just arrived.
Supply chain, we provide transportation, and I know a supply chain basically is from when something is manufactured until it reaches its end user, and so there's so many components. But where I fall into it is literally taking whatever it is that needs to be transported.
Hi guys, we're going on a private jet. What one? So it's too much. Come experience with me. Let me open the reflector so that I can look professional.
These two. Is it? Can I cut it?
No,
Am I supposed to?
let's get it checked. How's it, nigga? How are you guys doing? Huh? What are you? How are you? Morning, sir. How are you, Jack? NEC.
to say.
Driver bakusasa.
We just arrived.
Ay 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 ay.
Oxygen, everything. We just don't treat the machines here, like the heart machines, heart monitoring machines, but all of that stuff goes on board the aircraft when they fly.
Okay.
It's like
Okay.
a fully ambulance, doctor, nurse, paramedic,
Okay.
everybody goes.
I fly this.
You fly what?
I fly this.
Okay, ma'am.
It's pretty cool.
Can you please give us insights about it?
Here we transport our medical patients.
Okay.
We need to do it in a fast-paced, right time, right place. You know, logistics things and stuff.
Okay. In an efficient and effective way.
Yes, and efficient and effective.
In order to meet what? The customer requirements,
Yes, the customer requirement.
which is arriving safe, alive, Taishi,
Arrive alive.
arrive alive, 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 live alive. This done. Hey, God.
And we are busy taking
Yeah, one. Kubulum vlog.
You can say there.
Linsky.
Unpaid. Scan the number plate again.
Tires. The tire costs like 16 Delivio. Who are you?
What are you?
Who knows?
What are we?
What is this? Private jet. Don't play with us. Go to school.
You calling to what? Oh yeah.
What's the qua?
What's the code?
How are you?
How are you? Okay. The what?
The private jet.